Hi, my name is Lizzie Snow and I am a visual artist. I work under my artist name 4100. I've collaborated with brands including Apple, Lululemon, Converse and Peugeot. I create original artworks and I've painted commissioned murals internationally. I create contemporary explorations of the mandala, which is a geometric figure representing the universe. I am inspired by fractals in nature and the natural patterns in the world around me. The mandala allows the observer to draw a connection between the pattern of their skin to a weaving river and a branching tree. Using ink and paint, I interpret these ideas through patterns that grow and evolve upon the canvas. In this Domestika course, you will learn the art of mandala drawing. I'll tell you my best tips and tricks, most of which I've never publicly shared. For the final project, you'll be drawing a contemporary exploration of the mandala in black ink. First, we'll explore different examples of mandalas and talk about their meaning and history. I will take you through the materials that we're going to need for this course, and then we will start drawing and practicing different techniques, such as hatching, dot work, patterns, and embracing negative space. Afterwards, we'll define the concept for our mandala, and then we'll draw the grid, which will be the foundation for our drawing. We'll first sketch in pencil so that we can experiment with our draft designs. We will begin the final artwork in black ink, and then we'll add detail and depth through different shading techniques. Later, we'll complete final touches such as erasing the pencil lines and signing your masterpiece. Finally, I'll show you how to properly photograph and digitize your artwork, in case you want to make prints or products later on. For this course, you will need a pen, pencil, eraser, ruler, compass, and a piece of paper. Optional but very helpful tools include a protractor and an Apple iPad with Procreate on it. This course is for anyone that would like to develop their mandala drawing skills and for people that would like to experience this meditative and relaxing practice. Join me in the world of interconnected patterns to find a space of serenity through the art of mandala drawing.